Hey guys, and welcome to my first ever vlog on this YouTube channel. So I was at the IEM Cologne CS2 Major 2026. This was my first major, by the way, and I thought I might show you how the event was. So enjoy this video. Okay, I walked all around from there to here because they told me that's the lower reserved entrance. I hope I'm right.
A few moments
Yeah,
later.
I got my wristband now for lower reserved. Yeah. And they told me the entrance is right there. And there I need to show my armrest and then I can go to my seat. Bed boom. Lost one round already. Day one was pretty hectic. I missed out on the first round between Aurora and Bed Boom. Sadly, in the train, I changed Bed Boom with Aurora, and obviously Aurora won this and Bed Boom disappointed. So I was still in the run for the gold coin, but still got really annoyed because of Bad Boom, and I was kinda scared that I don't get the gold coin, but in the end I still got it. Yo, I made it to the fucking stadium, guys, it's crazy. Woo! So at this point I was just really happy about it being in the arena, and I saw Aurora beating the shit out of Bad Boom but didn't record. But what I did record was the entrance of 9Z and Furia, who single-handedly got me the gold coin.
It's Furia!
I did not record any highlights of this match, but Furia won pretty close and it got me one step closer to my gold coin. This was the first day of the major. The first round was won by Aurora. Unfortunately, I changed the picks last second, but it's fine. I'm still in the run for gold. So this is my hotel room, guys. I already checked everything. I bought some drinks and stuff. So on day 2, I just recorded a really quick room tour and forgot to film the toilet. But I went to the Kölner Dome, which I just passed on the first day, and I wanted to get a deeper look.
Number 10? What are you doing? And there's one more. What the fuck?
Okay, I'm here at the merchandise store from ESL. A ton of people and a ton of clothing. Let's see if you can find something. I don't know, man. I think I landed in the back rooms. I'm pretty much alone here. It looks all the same and it doesn't stop. I don't know. Man, where am I?
A few moments later.
G2 against Spirit. And I'm gonna do an missing link unboxing.
This rival is still a threat. Finally, they're gonna get past it. It's not uncomfortable. They deal with Tamir alone around side. Now left to Magic.
This is the third overtime, man.
Doesn't wait for the rest of
Come on, Spirit, lock in! Yeah!
One of the all-time big game leaders, a man who makes every team he plays with better, and they might, just might, have found the special formula. Please welcome Cologne, it's Falcons!
today is day 3 of the playoffs. Furia is gonna play against Aurora, and later on Falcons, surprisingly, is gonna play against Spirit. So this is gonna be a really tough matchup, especially because Spirit doesn't have a coach right now and Falcons really has a good run. I'm hoping Furia is gonna make it through, because if they don't, I might not get the gold coin.
Towards the semifinal, but now when you have your stars performing the way they are, both sides, this is the moment you have to grab hold of if you want to lift that trophy yet. I have put my eyes on the man right now. September has had his struggles in
So I wrote this one down because they actually did save my picks.
Come on, Falcons! And as Falcons wait, they rub their hands together. Years in the making, years in the waiting. This is their moment.
GG, come on!
And you just gotta reach and grab it.
Okay guys, today is the day. Today is the grand final, Furia against Falcons. I'm heading towards the Lanxess Arena right now and I'm really excited. Let's see who wins. So before the grand final started, I just headed straight to the ESL store and bought me some merchandise before they all sell out. I bought some collectibles and some things to unbox at the end of the video, so stay tuned. I'm eating a falafel wrap right now. It's pretty good. Dude, I just met 3 Clicks Philip. This is unreal. Dude, Coldzera just signed my shirt and we took a picture. Now I go to the big stand and let them sign my shirt as well. Hi Thompson, can I... This is a fresh new jersey. You have to sign it because you guys made major history, you know?
Thank you very much.
Biggest comeback ever. You know, you have to sign it.
Absolutely, for your info, boss.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you for coming by.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hello.
You too, man. How you doing, guys?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm fine.
You look fresh, brother.
Bro,
Bro, I got you, man. I got you.
he looks much fresher.
Good, brother.
Thank you so much.
Anywhere you want? Like, wait, it doesn't matter?
Like under the Red Bull,
All right, bro.
you know? The best place to sign something, I guess.
100%.
I'm joking. Have a nice day. Man, take care.
Take care.
You're welcome. One last time, the grand final, guys.
Composition. The assembly of players into a cohesion.
this clutch. Too many corners, too many seconds. Masterclass from Captain Carrigan. 8 rounds to close it. In this moment, in this round, in this cathedral, every headshot is a prayer answered. One of those missing. A little bit back. Get someone to run to get us through game. His first year of Tier 1 professional Counter-Strike, and they made that wall.
We are back at home, and I thought I may show you all the collectibles I got from the event. So let's start with the Lanxess Arena Cologne 2026 gold coin. I actually managed to pull a gold in game, so I thought I may buy the coin as well. Take a look. It's originally sealed, so I'm not gonna open this one for sure. I have a missing link charm that I'm gonna open as well. And I got a missing link charm that I already opened in the Arena Live while they were playing. And this is already one of the rare ones. I also got a NiKo holo. I don't know how I managed to get this one, but apparently I did. I got some big keychains. I got 2 wristbands, one for my ticket, right? I got the Counter-Strike 2 scarf. And the highlight, I guess, is the big jersey that I bought there. And Coldzera signed it. And almost the whole big clan team. Tapson, Faven, and JDC. This is a jersey. I'm really happy about it. Okay, guys, welcome to the unboxing. Let's open first the missing link charm. So it's just this bag. And there are 2 rare ones I already saw in Google. It's the whole one and the sausage one. And we already pulled the sausage one. And now, hopefully, the whole one. Let's get started. It is the whole one, actually. What the fuck? Okay, now I got the 2 rare ones. Okay guys, I put on the flashlight so you can exactly see what I'm getting out of this box. Please give me a dollar. No, it's this ADHD agent. I fucking hate this guy. But yeah, it's fine. That's the go-go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to not miss out on any other videos, and see you in my next upload. Bye.